I can't believe it. It's almost time to go back to school. And you know what that means? It means it's time to start making some quick and easy back to school meals. That just happens to be the theme of this collaboration hosted by Rob and Sumner. And speaking of going to school, I actually went to school right by where Rob went to school. Isn't that an unusual coincidence? Pretty cool. Well, for today's video, I'll be making pizza muffin bombs. Get ready to explode. These are gonna be great. You need to get some of that refrigerated pizza crust. Open it up. That's always kind of scary. Opened. It needs to be cut in 12 pieces. And I need to cut a brick of mozzarella into cubes. Each square is going to get a little pizza sauce, a few pieces of pepperoni, and a mozzarella cube. Then you need to roll it up into a little packet and place that upside down in a muffin tin. It's been prepared. I'll be making 12 of these packets. They sure are nicely packaged. Now you just put them in a 400-degree oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. I need to melt a couple tablespoons of butter, add some garlic powder and Italian seasoning, mix that together, and cover those nice golden bombs. And some Parmesan cheese. Pizza muffin bombs, and they really are incredible looking. Look at that. Let's taste them. Mmm. They taste wonderful. It's a pizza in a little parcel. Enjoy. My friend has a cell phone that's shaped like an Italian dumpling. It's a Nokia.